In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color in Adobe Illustrator. If you're working on a design and want your text to better match your branding, stand out more clearly, or simply look more polished. Changing the text color in Illustrator is very quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process in a simple, easy to follow way. First, select your text using either the selection tool by pressing V or the type tool by pressing T. Both options can work, and the one you use usually depends on how you want to interact with the text. The selection tool is helpful when you want to select the entire text object, while the type tool is useful if you're actively editing text. Once you've chosen the right tool, select the text you want to change. Make sure the correct text is highlighted or active before moving on. This is important because Illustrator will only apply the color change to whatever text is currently selected. If nothing is selected, you may end up changing a default setting instead of the actual text in your document. Next, look for the Fill Color box. You'll usually find this in the toolbar or in the Properties panel. The Fill Color controls the inside color of your text, which is the main color you actually see on the letters. This is the setting you'll use when you want to update the appearance of your text. Click the Fill Color box to open the color options. This will bring up the available color controls, and from here you can choose the method that works best for your project. If you already see a color you like, you can simply select it. That's the fastest option. If you need more precision, switch to the Color Mixer tab. From there, you can adjust RGB or CMYK values depending on your workflow, or enter a hex value if you already have a specific brand or design color in mind. This is especially useful when you need color consistency across different assets. After choosing your color, your selected text will update right away so you can immediately see the result on the artboard. If the color doesn't look quite right, you can reopen the fill settings and fine-tune it until it matches what you need. And that's how to change text color in Adobe Illustrator. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference in the overall look of your design.